can't party on the weekends, bitch, trying working.
YouTube, we back with another video. Now today, I need y'all to go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for your boy. Now let's get into this video. And now we're going in with our 2-guard closed. Yeah, we chopping it off then. So yeah, we're gonna go with a low taper on him, and then the little back tape. And we also doing this natural, so yeah, y'all get to see your boy crispiness in full effect naturally. But yeah, go ahead and like the video though for me. And make sure you follow me on IG. Go ahead and make sure you follow me on IG and TikTok. Going in with our ball guideline. Now make sure to make sure this is straight, curve, or like a mountain peak, so therefore you can have a nice line to set in with your ball guideline. Now we're going in with our lever open, and you just go up about a finger's width or an inch, and yeah, go over that guideline at least 2 to 3 times, and once you see a full set line, go ahead and go in with your 1 guard as we finna continue into next. And we just go in open as well. And yes, we are gonna skip up to the 1.5 and then just fade our way back down. And here we are with our 1.5. As we said, we are continuing into the top of the hair, which is a 2 closed on top. So we're just gonna pretty much blend into it and just comb or brush it back down so you can see what slight differences you are making throughout this taper. Now we're going in with our 1.5, not 1.5, but our 0.5 guard, fully open to lighten up those darker spots at the top of the taper. And then we're just gonna follow the blend on down. And now we're going in lever close to take out that final guideline and just open up your lever halfway and then lever fully open. And make sure you're also using your corners throughout this whole taper. As am I doing, I'm also using just my left corner, as you see, to hit certain spots with my lever and corner of my blade and just take out those hairs as we go up. one, I just pretty much repeated the same steps. And I will see you guys on the lineup. So enjoy this. bring it down, so therefore it'd be easier to line up all across. And now we're going in with our liners. I ain't gonna lie, my boy was asleep right here, so we had to wake him up. But we're just, sitting in that line with the liners. Just simply go around. I start on this side with a straight line and then work myself up to the curve motion. But sometimes I do checkpoints and then just connect it all in the middle. Sometimes you can do it that way. It's various ways you can do this. So just find a way that's comfortable for you. And now we're just continuing on to the other side. Now I did the same thing. I'm just lining it up now. And now we're commencing our lineup. After our lineup prep, my lineup prep consists of alcohol on the napkin. You just wipe it across the hairline and forehead to clean the skin and the hair, and just some holding spray. I personally use Got to Be holding spray. But now we're just continuing the lineup. Now you want to start in the middle and then just work your way over to the vertical bars. But make sure you don't go over too far, otherwise you'll already messed up the line. But just work it all the way up to the vertical bars. Don't press the trimmers mad hard against the skin because you don't want to, hurt the person or nor yourself. And Faye fam, here we're just pretty much locking in that lineup after applying some more holding spray. This is going to be an all natural cut, so yeah, we're getting close back to the end, Faye fam. If you ain't like the video though, go ahead and like the video. If you ain't commented, or rated the haircut down in the comments down below, go ahead and rate it 1 through 10 in the comments for me. And subscribe. That's the last thing you gotta do. It's free. Just click the button. But yeah, we just go ahead and do the final touches on this lineup, y'all. Now I did razor it, but unfortunately I wasn't able to record it. I don't know, I guess I was moving too fast, I suppose, and I just forgot to record it, so I do apologize. But I will be showing y'all that before and after though, for sure. Hey fam, this is the before. Faye fam, this is the chop. Now, if you like this haircut, go ahead and like it down below. Rate the haircut 1 through 10 and subscribe, Faye fam. We out. Peace.
Yo, Pierre, you wanna come out here? I can't party on the weekends, bitch, trying